They don't want to commit. They're not committing. Guess it's not a real enough bug to them. All right, at least I got one. He couldn't resist. He's not a huge bass, but that's cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. We got him. We outsmarted the largemouth bass. All right, thank you, buddy. Damn it. GoPro, stop recording. All right, got me a little sunny. In the rain, fishing in the rain with a 3-weight. Good sunny. Woohoo! Look at that little sucker. All right. Have at it, buddy. Thanks for the fun. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, oh. Yeah. Boy, he gulped it. You gulped it, little guy. Ah. All right. He's pulling hard. Little panfish on a 3-weight. Woohoo! He's jumping everywhere. Woo! Big old slab, man. Big old slab. Look at that slab, man. That thing's huge, man. That's a huge panfish. This sucker's as big as my hand easily, man. Boy, that's a big old panfish, man. Look at that sunny. Woohoo! Fun on a 3-weight in the rain. come on, come on, come on, bass. Get it, bass. All right. They fought for it. Ah, the bass didn't take it. He looked at it though. He wanted to get it before the bass did. You know your spot in this world, don't you, Bubba? Okay. All right, the little bass got it. Just had to do it, huh? All right. I mean, they're fun little bass, bigger than the ones that I caught the other day down there, man. All right, 3-weight bass, Colorado to go brook fishing. All right, let's see. Well, this hole's getting it, man. Woohoo! All right. I mean, it's raining and stuff, but I'm having a blast, dude. Can't worry about dying from COVID when there's a lot of living to do. So go on out and live, I mean, but be safe. GoPro, stop recording. Oh yeah. Boy, he jumped out of the water on that one. Woo, that's a big old sunny there. He thought he was a monster. That's a big freaking sunny, dude. Dang, look at that big old sucker, boy. Boy, that was a big fish there. Oh, let's well, I'll let him go. He showed himself though, man. Woohoo! GoPro, stop recording. Oh, man. All right. Woohoo. Well, that's a good one there. That's a big one. Woo. That's one of the biggest ones out here I caught. Oh, boy. He thinks he's ferocious, man. Golly, that's a big one. That's a big mamba. Big old sunfish, man. Yeah. All right, Bubba. Good job. Thank you.